how to use deep search apps. So here is interesting apps called deep search. So you can just open it up. It's pretty cool app, kind of like ChatGPT client, but it's focused on doing research on specific people. So, this is not an app where you just wanted to use it as an alternative to ChatGPT chat. This is not that. This is only if you want to research, for example, some celebrity, or even, for example, your boyfriend, your partner, whatever, you're dating someone and you just want to find someone, see what their presence online is. So this is kind of the use case for this app. And for example, you can just go and just select like some personality, and this is an example of what you will see. Like you will see sources, you will see socials, you will see Wikipedia, all of the sites. If you want to see additional like information, you will need to upgrade $40 per year or $7 per week. And then you can also see quick summary and then quick questions about it, and then ask follow-ups and also get images. So that's the idea. And then also you can ask like, who are family members of someone? What are hobbies and interests of someone? Relationship. Who is currently dating someone? And then business investments. What are the major business ventures of someone? Tell me everything about someone. So that's the idea, how how you can use this app and just research some person online. This is going quite viral on TikTok right now. So you can, with the pro version, you can get 1,000 search credits, search via image, upload as PDF, unlock dating profiles. So especially for dating, this app, is becoming popular because there are other apps like T app, where girls dating guys, but they also inside of a T app you see like research, AI research on the guy, and again it's going viral on TikTok. So yeah, that's what it is.